In this tutorial, I will teach you the fundamental concepts about multithreading in NodeJS and how can we use them in our code. JavaScript is a single-thread program, which it means your JavaScript code can only run one task at a time. But NodeJS is kind of different. It itself is multi-threaded, which it means it has more than one thread. But how many threads does one NodeJS process has? Next, I will run a quick demo to show you how to find the answer. Here I'm using VirtualBox to simulate the Linux environment because Windows and other systems they don't have the built-in command to display the details of subthreads. Right now, I'm at the desktop folder. Let's create a JavaScript file. You can give it any name you like. In this file, let's define an infinity while loop, and it's doing nothing. Type a command node test.js followed by ampersand. Ampersand will make this command become a Linux background process. As you can see in the output, there is a number showing on the screen, 8978. In your computer, there could be a different number. This number is called process ID number. Let's type a command top -H -P following by the process ID number 8978. This number could be different on your computer. As you can see in the output, the NodeJS process has 7 threads in total, one main thread for running JavaScript code. The first line is the main thread, and the following 4 lines is provided by the built-in NodeJS module. It's named library UV. This module provides 4 extra threads for a NodeJS process. Those modules are used to handle the input and output operations such as reading files, writing files, or doing a network request. That's why sometimes we're using functions such as promises, async, and await to handling this input and output operations. Those threads will make sure our tasks will not block the main thread. The last 2 threads are provided by JavaScript V8 engine. They are used to do automatically garbage collection. Press Q to stop this command. Let's type a command kill -9 followed by the process ID number. This number is different on your computer. This statement will stop the JavaScript code running from the background process. Next video, we will talk about how to use NodeJS multithreading to optimize our code and speed up the task.